Thank you for calling Prestige. This is Christian speaking. I don't know if this happens often in your business or in any other business, but we receive very funny customers, especially calls.
Hello, is this a mechanic shop?
Yes, ma'am. How can we help you?
Hi, so I'm having a hard time with my car right now. I have a 2008 BMW. Do you guys work with BMWs?
Absolutely. We specialize in it.
Awesome. So I have a problem. Like, listen to my car. It's making this really weird sound. Did you hear?
No, ma'am, not at all. Sorry.
Hold on. It's like you don't hear the clanking. Let me do it again. Did you hear that?
Nope, not at all, ma'am. Sorry, I think your phone is not actually picking it up. People calling in asking for diagnostics over the phone, people calling over to listen to their sounds on their engine or their suspension or somewhere around the car. And the funny thing is, when we're not able to hear it because their phone is not actually picking it up, they get aggravated. And I'm just like, I'm trying to help you with the best I can. It's just if I can't hear it or you're not able to duplicate the noise, then there's not much I can do if your vehicle is not present here. But no worries, we're here to help. You said you have a 2008 BMW?
Yeah, so it's a 2008 BMW 328i.
Okay. And you mentioned something about a clanking noise, right?
Yes, it's super annoying. So like it does this clanking sound whenever I turn it on and when I'm driving, and like it's kind of like a squealing sound. And sometimes when I'm at a light, my car will just stall or just turn off. And yeah, the battery light is on, but it's still working. So I'm kind of confused as to what the problem is. I don't know if it's like my battery or I don't know what it is.
Okay, no worries. Sorry, I forgot to ask your first and last name. Who do I have the pleasure to speak with?
Oh, my name is Ana Garcia.
Anna, pleasure, Anna. I believe this is the first time you call in, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Let me please have your phone number, Anna. And so I think that was Anna's case this afternoon. And so I think she got a little more aggravated when I told her that I wasn't able to hear it or the noise that she was trying to explain what was going on. So we told the vehicle in, we're gonna go ahead and check it out. I'm sure we're gonna be able to diagnose whatever's going on with it and let her know, give her a pricing and go through the whole process. Hopefully we have another satisfied customer. Other than that, people, if you're watching this, please don't take it personal when we can't hear what you want us to hear. Sometimes it's not like I'm actually present right next to you, or I can actually, Walter Mercado and read your mind type thing. Sorry about that.
After performing a diagnosis on the car, we found out that not only the alternator needed to be replaced, but also the battery was not working properly. Anna was informed and agreed to perform the job, and a couple hours later, the car was washed and ready to be picked up.
So we were actually able to help Anna out, thankfully. Turnaround was about 2 to 3 hours. Car was towed in. We were able to get the parts quickly and to have it washed. Hopefully Anna is satisfied, and let's hope that she remembers we can't diagnose a vehicle over the phone. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 182. Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
Hi, Mr. Hernandez. This is Christian calling from Prestige Auto Tech. Just giving you a call back and a follow-up on your vehicle's pickup, my friend. It's been about 2.5 weeks and we have not received any sort of response from you. Let's see where management decides and what management decides and where this actually ends. Hopefully Mr. Hernandez decides to pick up the phone and reach back to us. If not, then it's not gonna be pretty.